love a good tart on Christmas Day, especially if they're teensy and bite-sized. I can eat them in one bite and put more in my pocket to take home later. This is Learning Kitchen's Christmas special. How to make teensy cute mince tarts. Now, you're going to need almond meal, plain flour, caster sugar, chilled butter, 1 yolk, water, and mince. For decoration, 1001 sprinkles and icing sugar. Easiest way to make pastry is by using a food processor. Put in the flour, almond meal, and sugar and mix it quickly. Next, put in the chilled butter. Cut it into 1-inch cubes and pulse it. If you're a beginner, using a food processor is better than using your hands because heat from your hands will make the butter melt too quickly. Hence, it will be harder to achieve the crumbly texture you need for a good pastry. This is the texture you want. Use a spatula to scrape the sides. Now add in the yolk and water and whiz it for a few seconds. You should now get a soft, pliable mixture like this. Now you need a plastic sheeting, a rolling pin, flat spatula, a cutter, and flour, and of course the baking tin. You can use a cupcake baking tin. Now you're ready to roll. If you have a marble top table, that's even better as it will keep the pastry dough chilled and easier to roll. Sprinkle flour over the plastic sheeting so that the dough won't stick and roll it out. The desired thickness is about 2 to 3 cm. Use the cutter to cut out round shapes. You only need 1 cutter for this. It's really simple. Dip it in flour to prevent it from sticking. Use the flat spatula to lift it carefully from the plastic. Now pat it gently into the tin. Treat it tenderly because this kind of pastry is delicate and rather crumbly. Now spoon out the mince into the pastry shells. You don't have to make your mince from scratch. Any store-bought mince is more than adequate. The key to great tarts is in the pastry, and this pastry is super delicious. After you've done that, cover it with more pastry. Before you put it in the oven, poke holes in the top to make it look more festive. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees and pop in your tart. Bake it for 15 minutes. Smell those tarts! Don't you want one now? Arrange it on a stand and sprinkle some icing sugar on top for that snowy effect. If you like, you can even add 1001 sprinkles. Serve it on a plate and there you go. Yum! Merry Christmas! Riding through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. La 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 la, la 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 la.